Seven.
Huh?
This movie, Seven. Kevin Spacey is creepy in this movie. Blanket, blanket, blanket. Thank you, blanket. Move, thank you. Little freaking girl. Hey, you want to watch a movie after this movie?
I don't know. Depends on what movie.
You pick a movie.
Huh?
Pick a movie.
We'll see.
Ooh, we should watch it.
My client says there are 2 more bodies.
We can watch what?
2 more victims.
If you want to.
He will take detective.
You want to watch Twilight, New Moon, or Eclipse?
Sure.
Then you want to see either New Moon or Eclipse.
Okay.
Then I'll
Have I
ever
seen all
know. Huh?
Have I ever seen all 3 of them?
Yeah.
What else do you have?
Harry Potter. Wasted tomorrow. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. My mom's doing the booty bump. Do, 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 do. Oh, excuse me, she's popping. Do, 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 do. Probably will break a hip. Dun, 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 dun. Don't break a hip, Mom! Oh no, she's popping it! Watch out, people, she's popping it! I'm gonna record you popping it. If I can find you. This is going on YouTube, you know that, right?
No, here we go, YouTube.